Hey, welcome to another yoga session with me. In this session, we're going to focus on those tight muscles you get from sitting down, like for office workers like myself. So we'll be doing some twist and hip openers and activate the glute. So let's get started. When you're ready, lay down on the mat with your feet together, opening the hips and hands by your side. Just relax here. Let your body be heavy. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Bring your knees together to the top. And from here, you want to make some circles, massaging your back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from here, you're going to turn to the left. Your arms, the palms stack on top of each other, knees bent as where they were. And inhale, raise your right hand to the sky and all the way to the other side. Gaze to the right. Come back. Arms stacking together. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Open. Gaze to the right. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Bring the knees up. And turn to the other side now. Once again, palms stack on top of each other. Inhale, open the left hand to the sky and to the side. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Now come back to the center. Cross your feet together and into tabletop. Keep your knees wide slightly and your arms forward like this and make big circles with your hips. 2, 3, and 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Now bring the knees in together into a proper tabletop. Knees under your hips, hands under your shoulders. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale around your back. Inhale up and exhale. Bring your arms forward, tuck your toes in and push up into down dog. Press your heels here. Jump back to the front of the mat between the hands. And this time, you're going to slide your palms under your feet like this, Padangustasana, and straighten your back into half fold and push yourself down deep. Put your left foot back into low lunge. And from here, raise your right hand up into the sky into an easy twist. And bring the hand down so it's aligned with your body. Come back to low lunge. Push your right foot back into downward facing dog. This time bring the left foot forward and left hand go in the sky into the easy twist. Bring it down so it's aligned with your body. Gaze at the fingertips. Come back down. Lay down on the mat. Into a half boat with the toe tips on top of the mat, like this. Arms by your side. And from here, you're going to raise your fingertips or toe tips up. And come back down to the mat. One more time. One more time. Up. And down. Relax. And now come up slowly. Now you're going to do reverse plank. So position your hands right next to the hips and your legs straight and push up with your hips into the sky. Face in the sky, face into the sky. Hold here. Breathe. Come back down. Lay down on the mat. And now we're going for the full boat pose. Raise up and hands out. Hold here. And release. From here, bring your knees up and wrap your right shin or leg around the left leg, arms out to a T, and drop the knees to the left, gaze to the right. Let your body be heavy here. And release. Now the other side. Left leg around the right leg and drop to the right and gaze to the left. Come back into the center and hug your knees. Move from side to side or back and forth. Giving your back one last massage. And relax. That concludes our session for today. Thank you so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to check out my other videos in this channel.